drink for you, okay?
Okay, baby. I'm waiting.
Wait, this one again. So today that you came, I'm sure that you'll not be rushing to go back.
No, I won't.
I hope you have all the day to spend with me.
Of course, I've missed you a whole lot.
Are you sure you're teasing me?
No, very much so, baby.
So you told me that you traveled last week, but you didn't tell me the particular place you went. Sure, say you know the one or two.
Baby.
Okay, you know what then? I think you should go to the bedroom.
Okay.
And refresh up.
So
that
good time
I'll
together.
have all these.
Yes, now.
So let me get on.
All right.
Alright, here. So you change. I'm coming. Let me go and get drink for you, okay?
Okay, baby. I'm waiting.
What is that one now?
Where is she?
Hey, is who now? What are you talking about?
Where is she? Stop pretending.
What are you talking about now? You saw me alone. Did you see anybody here?
For real? Do you know how long I stood there knocking on this door?
Sorry, you could have asked me what have you been doing. You know, you could have used the bell now. I told you that someone is knocking on this door. I might not hear.
Seriously? I know you very well.
Is this how?
If you can't show me where is she,
What
I'll
are you
look for
saying?
her myself. Come out! Come out! I know you're hiding her somewhere. I know you're hiding her somewhere.
Okay, is it phone?
You provide her. You provide her.
See how you are disgracing yourself.
You must bring her out.
What are you doing?
You must bring her out. Stop pretending. Stop pretending like I don't know what I'm saying or I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. So somebody will be under this chair. This chair that is as flat as this.
Is there anything
Okay.
you cannot? Is there anything possible?
You have searched the rooms, right? Do you see anything or anybody in the room?
I've not searched
Or
enough.
should we go together so that we search the room together?
Let's go. I've not searched enough. You are hiding her somewhere.
I don't know you like this.
So what were you doing inside when I was there busy knocking? What were you doing?
I was using the restroom.
Using the restroom.
I was using the restroom now. You wouldn't expect me to, to come out without cleaning my bum now.
Who knows if you have escaped her through the ceiling?
Can you hear yourself?
Can you hear what? So I'm talking out of point.
Wait, I don't know. Have you been really suspecting me? Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Okay, we'll go after the game together.
Don't go after you.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go now.
Go. You must provide her today.
I don't know. What did this one start now?
You will know today. By the time I get that girl, she should better not be inside this room.
Let's go to the room.
Let's go. Go.